this is the video that's going to help you to learn Pachelbel and Hurlock's Real Violin 4. So you have 8 notes: open D, open A, B, that's your first finger on D, and back to open A, open D, open A, open D, and then one finger on D. Now after that, it's the same thing repeated over and over. You might want to just write in where you need to use your first finger for the B's and the D ones. So you might want to do that all the way through. And this is what those 8 notes are going to sound like. And that's it, that's all you need to do. So have a practice of that, and then the next thing you can do is to try the dynamics. So the first letter is a letter P, which stands for the word piano. In Italian, that means soft. So you're going to play it very soft and gently. So don't push down too hard on the bow. Use smaller bows rather than huge bows, because that'll just make it sound too loud. But save that for the next section. Where it says MF, that means mezzo forte, which is fairly loud. So you can use a little bit more bow for this one. And just let the weight of your arm pull it faster. Just to give it a little bit more sound. That carries on through until we get to the very end and we just finish on an open D. And that's it. So good luck, hope you manage it. Play along to the backing track so that you get the right speed.